Martin,
Hi, nice to meet you.
what do you mean by industrial edge?
Our Industrial Edge platform is our IIoT platform to fulfill the newest use cases like data analytics, like dashboarding, getting the knowledge out of your data which you are gathering out of the machines, and really lifting the benefit also in the topic of IT-OT integration, right?
Yeah.
So it's not just about a little bit of dashboarding and connecting. That's the real platform where you can install your own applications. You can install Siemens application, and of course you can install third-party application.
Ah, okay. Now I've also heard you talking about an MES.
Yeah.
What's that?
Our MES, our manufacturing execution system, our brand new Opcenter X is our MES system, totally SaaS-based, to also do all kind of execution at your factory level, right? So it's all about the IT-OT integration. You have your machines which are running, producing something in the manufacturing. You have brownfield, you have greenfield. It's all about connecting the data, bringing it together, right?
Yeah.
Because here you have your unstructured data, but Industrial Edge enriches your data with the semantic information, and afterwards you can exchange the data with our MES system, with Opcenter X. And why should you do that? Easy question or easy answer. If you would like to start an order execution here in our MES system, you can download the order directly through our data integration layer to all of our machines.
Okay. Now, I've been around a while, and before IIoT, we used to call it the embedded world.
Yeah.
There are a lot of protocols and communications and whatever. How do you get it all to work together? How do you deal with data security, interoperability? How does this all work? There's lots of communications protocols out there.
Yeah, that's totally right. I mean, we have here on our Industrial Edge level the suite of connectors.
Right.
So that's a big range of connectivity we provide for our system. Of course, we are able to connect our own PLCs, but I wish would be that there are just Siemens PLCs out there, right? But
there's others.
Unfortunately, there are others. Yeah, that's totally right. And so we have to give the answers to our customers to really also are able to connect other kind of PLCs via Ethernet IP, Modbus TCP, just a small range of examples we have here. So the suite of connectors which are able to connect everything with anything, right? For example, with the MES system and so on.
So if I'm an existing Siemens customer, where do I start?
That depends on you, actually. So yesterday I said to a customer, you have the requirement, we have the solution for that, right?
Right.
So that depends on, for example, you have already much paper in your production.
Right.
Then we can start here, okay, first of all, talking about MES, using our Opcenter X to directly start your order here from our Opcenter system and to do your order execution. Afterwards, we can go, okay, talking about the connection, right?
Right.
Then we are going deeper and deeper using our Industrial Edge and connecting all the machines. Or, for example, you have already our Opcenter X in place, or probably another MES system.
Yeah.
And you're talking about also providing the data to another platform, to analytics in the cloud. So that's the layer in between where we're gathering all the data from the machines and also possibly providing the data to data analytics with Insights Hub, our cloud platform where we have several kinds of analytics for our customers. So for example, it totally depends. Let's go into a discussion, show us what you already have and what is your requirement, and then we can together go and think about what is the right solution for you.
Okay. So in some ways it's a mix and match. I don't have to have everything. It depends on the customer and where they're coming.
Of course, of course.
Okay. Now, we've been here all week at HANNOVER MESSE. Personally, you've got all the cool stuff here. Anything else that's caught your eye here this week?
I mean, there are so many things which are such great. I mean, we are really thinking here about the complete IT-OT integration, right? We have our brand new controller, the S7-1200 PLC, the G2, the generation 2,
right,
which is brand new, much more functionality, also going into the direction of motion. Perfectly, if you would like to do here on the machine level, we have all about the roads, right? The data have to go somewhere. We have here our perfect portfolio for also the networking with our Scalent portfolio. We have so many software. We acquired many companies in the last time. You probably read in the newspaper. So really going in the combination of hard and software, and that's a great story. And again, for the requirements of our customers, we can go in the discussion and have the right solution for them.
Well, Cedric on Monday night was talking about accelerating the AI powered industrial metaverse.
Yep.
Software-defined automation, comprehensive digital twin, generative
Yep.
AI. But if you don't have everything connected up and IT, industrial IoT, this is some of the foundation for all of that, right?
Yeah, I mean, of course, the Industrial Edge is really the platform where everything can be installed, right? If you would like to have the controller not here on the machine level, you can directly install it here next to other applications. With our data information model, which are provided here with the Industrial Information Hub, you can next install your VPLC, your virtualized PLC. And that is actually the great stuff because you can do everything via software virtualized, right? And also, for example, if you do not use, and oh my God, I hope so not, you're not using Siemens hardware, then you can install even the software on your own IPCs, which are probably already in your factory.
Yeah.
And you go with this platform and also using, and that is I would like to say here, we have also many third-party providers for our Industrial Edge platform, which are providing software, which are lifting the use case and the benefits for our customers. It's not just about always doing everything on our own, right? We have to partner.
I agree.
We have to go the way together, right? And that is this kind of a collaboration with third-party providers for Industrial Edge also. And also if we go, for example, more and more on the topic of MQTT, very common currently,
Yes.
right? And today I had this guy at the presentation on stage together with HiveMQ, a great provider for all the topic of enterprise MQTT broker, right? So that's also fitting perfectly in our solution if we are talking about the complete story of IT/OT integration.
It is fascinating. There's a lot of moving pieces, but yet they're all starting to fit together, and
Yeah.
you can build up, as you say, based on what the customer's looking for, you can start connecting lots of things. And hey, good stuff. Thanks very much.
Thank you so much. Nice to have you here.